Hi, Green Speller. So this week we are working on this vowel sound OR. So the spelling pattern for the OR vowel sound can be O-R-E or O-R. So if we look at the word horn, I notice that the spelling pattern in horn is O-R. That makes the OR sound. But where do you notice that the OR sound is at in the word? Right, it's in the middle. So since I hear the OR sound in the middle, I know that OR is spelled O-R. Let's try another one. Look at story. Where do you hear the OR sound? In the middle, story. So I know that I'm going to spell the OR sound with O-R. I look at the word morning. Where do you hear that OR sound? Right, in the middle of the word. So I know to spell it O-R. The word born, I hear it in the middle of the word. Fork, I hear that OR sound in the middle of the word. So I use a fork to eat my mac and cheese. Short, forget, or I hear that in the middle of the word for. I forget to do something. Corn. Ooh, Miss Bear loves corn on the cob. Let's see if I got them all. I did. All right. So the OR sound can also be at the end of the word. So, for example, in the word score, I score a point for my soccer team. Score. The spelling pattern is O-R-E, and I hear that OR sound at the end of the word. If I look at the word tore, I tore my paper so that I could do some artwork. Tore. Shore. I walk along the shore on the beach. Oh, and store. I love going to the store. Target. Store.